In today's video, we will cover the step-by-step tutorial of our mention extension. This useful add-on helps teams collaborate easily. To access the extension, first access the main menu, select Settings and click on CRM Settings. From the Other Settings drop-down select Mentions. Turn on the radio button to enable the extension. To test the extension, access any record to mention your colleagues. Now, from the list view, select the record for which you want to add a comment. In the comment section, enter the @ symbol with the name of your colleague. Then type the message you want to send. Now, press the Post button to post your comment. To see who mentioned you in the comments and to respond, access your Vtiger account. On the home page, click on the Mentions icon on top right corner of your screen. Under the Mentioned tab, you can view your recent comments. From here you can reply to the comments. To reply, click on the Reply button under the comment. A notification will be sent to the other member. Once you have replied to any comment, the comment is shifted under Replied tab. That's it. Thank you for watching.